One of the things that we want to talk about is what are the elements of a good used vehicle inspection process. A lot of dealers have a checklist that they use for inspecting vehicles. It needs to be a list of all of the components that you inspect on the vehicle, but every one of those components needs to have a process of how you inspect that component and a standard for what passes or fails. That's the first element of a good inspection process. The second one is the techs need to be trained to use the process. So the checklist that they use for the inspection, the actual process, should flow smoothly around the vehicle. If you don't make the process simple and easy to repeat, techs will implement it the way that they want to. They'll all do it their own way, and if they're doing it their own way, then there lacks consistency and repeatability, and you will get inconsistent results. The third element of a good process is the techs need to be trained on the process. They need to understand each inspection point. They need to understand what the process of inspection is and what the standards are, and they need to execute that the same way every time. Fourth element is we want the techs to use standardized tools. Different tools can yield different results. So we want a standardized battery tester. We want a standardized brake measurement tool. We want standardized tire tread depth measurements along with the standardized processes of how to use them. So a toolbox that has all the tools the tech needs for the inspection and all the same tools for every inspection tech. And last but definitely not least is it needs to be an electronic process. So we recommend using an iPad or some other type of an electronic instrument so that you can record the inspection electronically, and down the road you can actually compare inspections on vehicle types and vehicle inspectors. It goes into a database. That inspection never gets lost.